can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they.
Hi guys, it's your girl Kelsey back with another YouTube video, and as you can tell by the title, I will be reviewing my first hairline. I am so excited about this, as you can tell. So I will be reviewing the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Hairline. So when I went to my local beauty supply store, I picked up the Creme of Nature Detangling and Conditioning shampoo. I also picked up the Detangling Conditioning Leave-In Conditioner, and also the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. So I'll be using all three of these products in this video. And then I did just have faux locks in, so I did want to put a protein pack on my hair. This is a strengthening hair mask. It's not the same as the coconut milk. It's the Aussie Berry and Keratin pack, but I don't feel like it's going to make a big difference of me using this because it's not in the coconut milk collection, but it's okay. So if you do want to see this hair tutorial, please stay tuned and tune into the video. Thank you for watching. The facts about this coconut milk line, Creme of Nature said it's detangling conditioning shampoo with coconut milk is infused with certified natural coconut oils. This formula nourishes hair while detangling and adding shine. So, as you can tell, that's kind of what my hair needs. My hair needs some shine, some good detangling, and all of those things. So, I'm going to go ahead and put that on. I'm going to leave this Aussie Berry and Keratin strengthening mask on for about maybe 30 to 45 minutes, because I do want to get all of the benefits of it, because I need it. I had my faux locks in for about 2.5 months, and I need some strengthening back to my hair. So I'm going to be using this too as well. And throughout this video, you will be seeing me wearing the God's Plan apparel shirts. My friend, I'll link her page down below, and I'll also put her name in the video. Please go buy these shirts, y'all. They're so comfortable. They're cute. They come in all different kind of colors. She has her own little line, so please go and buy from her. So now we're going to go ahead and jump into the video. I'll start by washing my hair with the Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo first. Alright, I am back. I have washed my hair with the Detangling and Conditioning shampoo. So it is in its natural state. No products on it, no anything. Just clean hair. And I feel like with the shampoo, it's not dry at all as it normally would be. So now I'm going to go in with the Aussie Berry and Keratin Strengthening Hair Mask. And I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair in maybe about 4 sections. I'm going to go ahead and part it in like 4 sections. Just to, so I can get it through my hair thoroughly. So that's one. Okay, I have put my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to start with the top section first. So we're going to take it down, unravel it. I'm going to take a small amount. It's purple. And whatever's left over, I usually just put it on my edges, because I want my edges to have the best effect. If nothing else is good on my head, guess what? I'm gonna have some edges. That's what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit more. Y'all, I should have bought 2 of these. Squeeze just a little bit more. And I think this product at the beauty supply store is like $1.99, I want to say. And yeah, you get a lot for $1.99.
Visions of you and I see you all around my way, been needing to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
So I'm done putting the Icy Berry and Creatine Strengthening Mask all over my head. So now I'm going to take what's left in the pack and put it on my edges. The reason why I say that I like to put things on my edges because that's the part of my hair that kind of breaks off the most if I don't take care of them. So I do want to put the rest of this protein pack on my edges so that way they can get, I'm gonna zoom in, so that way they can be all thick and healthy, just like the rest of my hair is.
But once you rule my world, I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I
Completed putting my strengthening mask on my hair, so now I'm going to take a shower cap and put it over my head like this, and we're going to let this sit on our hair for about 30 to 45 minutes just so it can saturate. And for about 15 minutes I am going to put a blow dryer to it so that way it can heat up. But yeah, I'm just going to let this sit on my head and I'll be back after I wash it out.
see you all around my way, been needing to say
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so I've let this sit on my hair for about 45 minutes and I just want to show y'all how it looks before I rinse it out. So these are my curls, and this is before I rinse out the mask. So they look pretty nice. It looks like
I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is.
it smells so good. So now I'm gonna go rinse it out. So I've washed my hair out of the mask and my curls look a little like this. My baby hairs are on bleak. So yeah, these are my curls after I wash everything out, no product. So yeah, these are my curls. So when I do my hair, I like to do the lock method. I'm going to take the Creme of Nature Detangling and Condition Leave-In Conditioner first, and then I'll go in with some Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's not in the bottle because I was traveling, so I just put it in here. And then I'll go in with the Moisture Curled Hair Milk from the collection, from the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk collection, and I'm going to put this on my hair too as well. So I'm going to show y'all the front view of me doing it, and then I'm just going to speed the video up and
More than just a silly crush.
and y'all, this coconut milk, it smells so good, so good, so good. So we're gonna clip this.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean that.
Spread all over that section. Run my hands through it first. Then I'm gonna take a wide tip.
But once you rule my world, I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way,
So what I did, I sectioned my hair off in 4, and then I split and sectioned it off into 4 small pieces. I took the hair milk and some oil and put it in my hair.
I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
So now I'm at my top section. I just put some oil in there. So now I'm gonna take the hair milk. I'm taking a lot of this because I really like it. So, and it's thick, and my hair is thick. So yeah, I'm just gonna drag that on through root to tips. Make sure you get those tips.
I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Okay guys, so now I'm done twisting my hair. I have 16 twists in my head. I feel like this gives me the most definition when I do twist my hair in these small sections. Now I'm going to be taking the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. I think I see them. Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. I've been using these for about a month, and I feel like it does do something to my hair because my hair, it like eats up oils, and this is all that's in here is oil. And I feel like it does make my hair grow. So I'm going to put this around my edges. I told y'all I like my edges. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this around my edges. And I'm running out of this bottle. I have 2 more that I'm going to use. So, and I just put it in between my twist too as well. What can I say right now about this this hairline, the coconut milk? It smells really good. Like, it really does smell really good. So that's an A+. And also, I feel like it kept my hair like really moisturized and really, really soft. Although my hair is already soft, but it's softer than normal. And so I really like this moisturized curling milk because it's thick. I like thick products. I usually use the Cantu Oregon All, their leave-in conditioner, to do my twist outs because this is like gold to me. So I usually use this, and it kind of is comparable to this, but we're gonna see tomorrow when I take my twist down. So I'll let y'all know my final updates tomorrow when I do take my twist down. So please stay tuned. So this is just a small clip of me taking my hair down. I did go ahead and speed it up so that way y'all can see it, but I didn't get a picture of it actually after I started or anything like that. But I do thank y'all for watching my video, and please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Reviews on the coconut milk Creme line is that the products were okay. I did like the curl moisture cream that I did use on my hair. That was the best product that I did like. And the pros of it is that it does detangle. The cons of it is that it kind of left my hair kind of dry. I think it was because I was working out too that it kind of dried my scalp out a little bit, because I do like to sit in a steam room when I do go to the gym after I've worked out. So that could have been the reason that happened. But in all, I would probably use the line again. I'll be reviewing something else next week. It probably won't be another hairline, but I do thank y'all for tuning in. And thank you for just watching my video. Just stay motivated and keep doing whatever you're doing. Thank you.